Welcome to the Altus Consulting Human Resource and Workforce Analytics Showcase. Our solution is a collection of screens showing different facets of workforce planning. It provides insight into key performance areas that you care about, such as workforce size, attrition, leave patterns, productivity, performance, and even gender diversity. With the ability to drill down into any area of interest or concern, you can make data-driven decisions in a timely manner. You can investigate key workforce indicators such as headcount, FTE, or ASL across the company or division, with the ability to even drill down to employment types or attendance types. Gain valuable information on important trends over time and make sure you are staying on track using our analytics solution. Want to be able to plan for the future? Use our analytics tool for see upcoming or unused leave. Find out about upcoming leave in each of the divisions so you can manage your staff's time off work across the company appropriately. Select multiple divisions to observe patterns across different areas of your company. Knowing how much leave may come up in the future can allow you to proactively plan and manage your employees to always ensure sufficient levels of staffing. Set unscheduled leave targets and compare how your company is measuring up. Explore through current or past performances and compare the different divisions or pay types for any problem areas. Gain insight into trends over time to better manage any fluctuations in staff time off over the year. Our solution will also intelligently use the current data to predict and communicate an end-of-year forecast, allowing you to stay on track with the company's targets. Keep an eye on the growth patterns and attrition rates of your workforce. Find out the common reasons for attrition across your departments using real-time data. Our solution allows you to compare attrition trends across time to help make more informed decisions when hiring new staff. Compare your attrition targets across all divisions and time periods. To assist with workforce planning, it is important to understand the demographic makeup of your organization. This report on gender diversity is an example of demographics reporting. With our analytics solution, you can compare the number of female and male staff across each classification system inside your organization. With our solution, you can also compare gender ratios across divisions. Use the KPIs to quickly find out information such as the remuneration gap average across any category you desire. You can also compare the female and male staffing levels across your organization at a glance. Our system can blend HR to system data with data from your operational systems to provide you with division, team, and even individual performance insights. Check out our division production overview to look into your different divisions and see how effectively they are meeting production targets. Quickly compare the required and worked FTE over time to help you stay on track with production levels and targets. Our sophisticated model will also use a history of production levels to predict a forecast of future production. Using this real-time information, you can proactively plan and manage your workforce before any major production problems occur. You can use our team's performance dashboard to analyze division teams and compare productivity levels across time. Get quick insights into individual production target FTEs or a team's production target levels. Compare a team's production levels to the contracted FTE levels to find any problem areas. Drill down into these to find out further information such as trends as to why this might be happening. Thank you for watching the Altus Consulting Human Resources and Workforce Analytics Showcase.